Hi and welcome to Coding with Jesse. I'm Jesse Skinner and today I'm going to work on adding a user interface to my Coding with Jesse administration area, and for that I'm going to use React. So right now to get my app up and running I need to run node app in one tab and that gets the server running on port 4321, and in another tab I need to run npm run dev and that'll get the Webpack dev server running on port 8080, and then the two of them together means I can refresh and have my code running and my server running as well. So I have this index.js file. Right now I'm just doing hello world, so this will be the starting point for my entire administration. So the first thing I'm going to do is install React. So I'm going to open up a third tab. And this is kind of how I work on a lot of projects now. I have the server running in one tab, the dev server running in another, and then in my third tab I can do stuff like npm install React DOM, and I'm going to need a bunch of other stuff too. So I'm going to go to the React getting started, because some of this has changed lately and there is a lot, it's gotten kind of complicated. So I need to do React DOM, Babelify, and Babel preset React. And I need to save that. So, and then to do it with Webpack, which is what I'm doing. I don't need Babelify. So I just also need Babel preset React and paste that in. And then -- save, give that a minute. So the thing at the moment, React needs Babel to convert the JSX code into regular JavaScript. And Babel lately has a whole new API from what I'm used to. So I'm going to be working through this. Hopefully, by the time you're watching this video, a lot of this is the same as it is right now, but I have a feeling it'll change just because it's changed so much in the recent past. Okay, so that's there. I need to do some stuff for Webpack. They tell me I should do... Oh, if you're using ES 2015, you will also want to use the Babel preset ES 2015 package. Might as well do that at the same time. So npm install that, save. And then they also say I should use this for production. I'm going to want to use this define plugin inside Webpack config. So I will go to Webpack config, and I actually do have this memorized. It's plugins and then an array, and paste that in there. And that won't be defined because, Webpack won't be defined here. So what I have to do is at the start go Webpack equals require Webpack. And what else? I'm going to have to do a bunch of other stuff that they don't tell you what to do here, do they? Maybe. Let's scroll down. Offline transform, yes, but with Webpack, blah, blah, blah. They don't tell you how to do it with Webpack. So I'm going to have to, I guess, I could run it from the command line with Babel, but I don't want to have to do that. So I'm going to just Google Webpack, Babel, and React. See what comes up. And I'm going to go to this blog post, and it's from August, so it's probably might still be true. And I'm just going to scroll down to, I just want to see the config file, how they set that up. Don't care. Okay, so I need this is what I want to copy. So module loaders. Basically, I'm going to set these up as presets. You'll see in a sec. So I already have module loaders. Okay, so I just need this extra loader. And that is going to set it up. Okay, so the way they have it set up is only for JSX files. I'm going to want it for all JavaScript files. I don't really like using the JSX extension, so I'll just use JS. We're going to exclude node modules. That'll make sure that it doesn't process anything that I've required in. And Yeah, so it's going to apply ES 2015 in React, and I have no idea if it's going to work, so let's try it out. So in my index.js, I need somewhere to render. Okay, so one thing I'm going to start using is ES 2015, so I'll use things like const. So I'm going to require in React. In fact, I think I can just do import React from React and import, oh, that should be capitalized, React DOM from React DOM. And then, so what I'm going to do is create a root element, create element div. You don't have to do this. It could be something that's already in your HTML, but I'm going to do it this way. So I'm going to append it to the body. And then I'm going to call React DOM.render. And I think I need to look at how to do it because it's changed recently. I think it goes, I'm just going to try it. So div hello world, and I'm going to render that to root. Is that how it goes? Let's find it. So if I refresh my thing, it doesn't work. I think I need to, well, let's just look at the console. So it's saying unexpected token, you may need an appropriate loader. I think it's not running the Babel against my JS file. I am going to guess that's because I need to restart this Webpack dev server to use the new config file. That's just a guess. Let's find out. So give that a sec. Okay, so it's giving me an error. Cannot resolve module Babel loader. Maybe I didn't install the Babel loader. So Babel loader save. That would explain that for sure. And give that a moment, and then let's try it again. Run dev. And now, let's see. It seems to work. If I refresh, no. Oh, document.create. Oh, I'm missing a T. I'm missing an E rather, so create element. Hello world. So I have installed Babel, I have installed React, I have rendered my first React component. It is just a div, but I'm really happy with that. That wasn't as painful as I thought it would be. So in my from here on, I'm gonna be building out the administration area using React and looking forward to it. So thanks for watching.